Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be covering question 76 from D exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So you're asked to solve this inequality and give answers which are between 0 and 2 pi inclusive. And once again, I advise that you use your knowledge of the functions to answer this. So we're only going to focus on the right-hand side. So that would be this side. So let's start with cosine. So cosine would be the blue one. And sine would now come in. It would look something like this. So cosine is the blue one and sine is the yellow one, and it looks something like this. So now you're looking for regions where sine is greater than cosine. In other words, where sine is above cosine. So where the yellow one is above the blue one. So let's check where that is. So it's definitely in this region between that point and that point. The yellow one is above. So as you can see, the yellow graph, which is sine, is greater than the blue graph between these points, which I now have in dots. And that means that you have to know where these are equal between 0 and 2 pi. And those sections would be at pi over 4. These are equal, as well as there at 5 pi over 4. So that's where they're equal, and that's where they'll cross each other. So at that point then, you have pi over 4 at that section there, that first point of intersection. So at that first point of intersection, you have pi over 4. And there, you have 5 pi over 4. So everywhere between pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4, your sine has values which are greater than the values of cosine. And we used the unit circle as well as our knowledge of the graphs to solve this. You can also go through the general solution of this, perhaps using sine over cosine greater than 1, which is 10x greater than 1. Go through this, then find your two critical points, and you'd basically find the same. And using those as well as your knowledge of the functions, you'd come back to the same conclusion.